Hey guys, RoonPicker here from another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock. This one's Mark of the Beast 666 by Den Brass. And he made his out of a Yale mortise cylinder, an old Yale mortise cylinder. I haven't even seen this keyway on a Yale before. You can see he's got some stamps on there. I don't know. I think that might have just been from overtime. I don't think he put that on there. No markings on here. He does have his tag on here. It says Den Brass 666. Old style Yale key. So let's go ahead and throw this in the vise and see if we can get it open today. Okay. And let's bring out the SS Dev. It's a pretty big keyway, so we can pick off the bottom. And let's zoom in. So, and move this up. There we go. Into a false set. A lot of crunching here. Oh, maybe not. I thought maybe we had overset something. That's good. Click. Not sure what's holding this up. Making progress. Getting closer. Set. Oh, nope, got it open. Give me my tension wrench. Alrighty. We'll zoom out. And we are picked. This is my first Den Brass lock. I'm pretty proud of myself. I know he makes some crazy challenge locks. I think he's actually in the 2000s now. This is mind-blowing to me. All right, let's go ahead and unmummify this key, see what we got. Yeah, so this is something I would have come to expect from Den Brass. Look at the bidding on this key. That ain't some challenge lock bidding. I don't know what is. And per normal, wouldn't be a challenge lock if I had the key operating smoothly with no issues. So we need a flathead, actually, I just noticed. Let me go get one out of my thing over here. 1 second. There we go. We'll get these things off the back here. All right. Let's get the shim in here. Ooh, these are some awesome looking pins. Got a pin and pin, a spool pin and pin. Got a gin bottle. Got like a, I don't even know what this, like a multi-serrated pin, pin and pin gin bottle. Multi-pin serrated. And this is like a really thin T-pin with a top on, like a thin top on. Wow, that's pretty impressive. And all these chambers are threaded on here. Someday I hope to get to this level of making challenge locks, although I do prefer to pick them over make them, but they are fun to make. Beautiful pin work. Got awesome serrated spool going on here. Let's go this way. Okay, and the only standard in the lock is the last pin. Alrighty, and anything done to this? Does not appear that anything was done to the lock body. Let's get our key in here, and I'll bring you guys over. You guys can take a look, see what we got going on. Look at this beautiful pin work by Den Brass. So if you can see, we got those pin and pins on 1 and 4, and we got those like multi-serrated on 3 and 5, and the gin bottles on 2 and 6. Multi-serrated driver pins on 1, 3, and 6, and serrated spools, I guess, on 2 and 5. And then all the chambers on the core are threaded. And there's our key. Focus. There we go. And that is Mark of the Beast 666 from Den Brass. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.